Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the PC so deletion runs smoothly. Make sure you have admin rights and a backup because Windows. Old contains rollback files. Once you're ready, temporarily disable third-party antivirus to avoid file locks. Next, open Settings System Storage and click Temporary Files, or run Disk Cleanup as an administrator and choose Cleanup System Files. This gets you directly to the controls that list previous Windows installation. Take action there to select those files for removal. Once done, pick the right removal method. In Storage, check previous Windows installation, and any related temporary files, then click Remove Files. If Disk Cleanup shows it, select previous Windows installation and confirm. If the folder is locked or the option is absent, open an elevated command prompt. Take on /fc/Windows. old/r/dy then icackle/c/Windows. old/grant% username% f/t and finally rd/. You finish by restarting the system to complete cleanup and then re-enable antivirus. Make sure you verify free space in storage and confirm you won't need to roll back to the previous installation. Windows. Old is the rollback point. If deletion failed with access denied, boot into safe mode and repeat elevated take-on/icackles and rd commands, or use a Windows recovery command prompt. That troubleshooting tip resolves most locked file scenarios so you can reclaim disk space with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.